Thank you for tuning in to your daily operations weather briefing for Tuesday, October 27th. Seeing another morning of low cloudiness across the region, very similar to many mornings we've had during the past week. We saw a low of 60 degrees this morning, and we're going to once again see these low clouds stick around for much of the day, maybe seeing a little bit of sunshine early this afternoon, but otherwise continuing to see cloudy skies and low clouds should develop once again as we go into later tonight. Taking a look at our surface analysis across the region, still have very weak flow across the area, helping to contribute to these low clouds as well as that moist boundary layer. We do have this very weak front depicted on this map here. Only thing that's going to do is help to switch those winds northwesterly, which they've already become this morning, and perhaps usher in just a tiny bit of a dry air to help break the clouds up a little bit early this afternoon, but otherwise not really impacting our weather too much, as we're going to see any breaks in those low clouds redevelop as we go into later tonight. Currently seeing an overcast deck at 300 feet with 2 statute mile visibility. Winds are from the northwest at 5 knots. Temperature of 61 degrees. Take a look at our satellite loop this morning. Still seeing those low clouds pretty much across the entire mid-Atlantic this morning. Seeing a little bit of clearing across the portions of Virginia, North Carolina, which we didn't see yesterday, but otherwise going to be seeing these low clouds across the Delmarva as we go throughout the morning hours and then redeveloping towards the evening. Taking a look at our forecast for today, going to be looking at a high of 69 degrees, which is a couple degrees cooler than our high yesterday. We're going to see those northwesterly winds continue today around 4 to 9 knots, then weakening as we get into the afternoon, becoming light and variable for the late afternoon hours and into the early evening. Then after midnight tonight, seeing those winds shift southwesterly at 3 to 8 knots, increasing to 7 to 12 knots by the mid-morning hours. We are expecting a low tomorrow morning of 58 degrees, which is about 10 degrees warmer than we would expect for this time of year. Taking a look at a terminal forecast, going to continue to see low clouds this morning, then seeing those ceilings raise just around 1,000 feet or so as we go towards the afternoon and seeing some peaks of sunshine out there. And then by 5 p.m., expecting those skies become overcast again at 1,000 to 3,000 feet, and then seeing those ceilings drop down to 500 feet by around midnight tonight, possibly a little bit lower than that once we get between the 2 a.m. and 6 a.m. time frame tomorrow morning. Still seeing tides a little bit high out there with 1/2 foot above normal along the Delmarva Atlantic coast. For tomorrow, going to be seeing cloudy skies early, becoming partly sunny late with a high of 72. Wednesday night's going to be cloudy and rather mild out there, low getting down to only 63 degrees. We are going to be having remnants of some tropical moisture headed our way as we go into late Wednesday night and into Thursday. So that's going to help to increase that temperature, also giving us a chance of an isolated shower late Wednesday night. And then Thursday, we're going to be seeing that rain overspread the area, expecting rain throughout the day. We could be seeing the winds become a little bit breezy as we get towards sunset on Thursday, and we are expecting a high later in the day of 73 degrees, and we could be seeing some pockets of heavier rain Thursday as well, especially later in the day. That will do it for your daily operations weather briefing. Have a good day.